those shoes, and now that fetchy little farm girl has walked off with them! So I'd appreciate some time alone to say goodbye to my sister. Nessa, please forgive me!
Elfie! It's dreadful to describe that house. But accidents happen.
For the snacks?
Well, not an accident.
Then what would you call it?
A routine change caused by an unexpected twist of fate.
So you think cyclones just appear out of the blue?
Well, no.
No, of course you never. You're far too busy telling me how wonderful everything is.
Well, I'm a public figure now. People expect
To lie?
Be encouraging. And what are you doing? What are you doing besides lying around on that filthy old thing?
Well, we can't all come and go by bubble. And whose invention was that? Was it?
No.
Of course, even if it wasn't, I'm sure he would still take credit for it.
What's next? Well, we're all taking things that don't belong to us now, aren't we?
Now you just wait till I clock tick. I know it might be difficult for that blissful, blonde brain of yours to comprehend that someone like him can actually choose someone like me. It's real. And you can wave that ridiculous wand all you want. You can't change it.
If you actually slap me, I will punch
He
you
never
in the face.
belonged to you. He doesn't love you, and he never did. He loves me.
Wrong face, wrong cheek.
Woo!
Nicky used to